You see, looking at DXY, maybe if we could go on 4 hour, you could see this week has been bullish for the DXY, and because the week started here, as you can see, it's been bullish for DXY, which means other pairs have been selling against the DXY, right? So this is
Absolutely.
yeah, H1. You see this internal range, where price is currently at. Yeah, actually price has tapped the FVG. This FVG is the buy side imbalance. So hopefully, maybe in the New York session, because we only have news in the New York session. We had news in London around 8. They were about gross domestic product on GBP. So they are past. They were in the morning. So currently in the afternoon, we have 3 sets of news at the same time, past 2. So those news actually are dollar. So what I'm likely to see, I think you could see the retracement, though we didn't have a clear break of structure. Price has been ranging, as you could see. Just liquidated the top, the previous day high. We're still in the range, but clearly you could see that DXY is showing potential to go up. Yes, yeah, since we have also this internal break of structure, is still giving us a clue that internally it broke. It took the external with internal, then this was the buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Price came and make a draw on liquidity inside here. So what I'm hoping to see, if at all this fair value gap is respected, yeah, we don't see it invaded, then we would want to see the DXY continuing to buy. Yes, so this sell that we see, I think, on DXY is just short-term sell. It's just a short-term sell. So when we look at gold, because actually I've been waiting to see if I can sell off gold. Gold, let me check H4. You see what gold did yesterday? What gold did, you remember the times it was giving us sales, breaking below, in actually, when you look at maybe H1, you could see that gold actually has been giving us bearish breaks of structure, but in so doing that, it was engineering this internal range liquidity. So this is the low resistance liquidity. You see these swings? Yes, these swings. Or entirely that's liquidity. For some other people, they just mark it as a trend line with a trend line, and they would simply say trend line liquidity.
Yes.
So we're still bearish according to the way I see on gold. You can see this was our H4 break of structure. I would mark this. So I just want to mark up the range. You could see, so this is entirely our range. Here, down towards down here, you see. So gold, this buy that we had yesterday, I see that it's a mitigation move. It could be a complex pullback. Because you remember the time when I was induced, God induced me on Wednesday. So I was looking at this unmitigated area of supply. You could see it's on, you could see it, but this was refined on 30 minutes. So if you could make the one on 1 hour, you could see this was an area of supply. So God wants us to mitigate this area which is mitigated. You can clearly see it nicely even on 30 minutes so that you see what I'm looking at. You see this where I wrote CB, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficient. Yeah, this is the sell side imbalance actually we're having, yes. So literally, I'm just waiting to see gold breaking through this Asian range because we're still stuck within the box. You can see. Yes, and I'm still maintaining the shorts. For some reason, unless this supply gets broken out, then I'll pair up for buys. But if this supply that you see, this sell imbalance by side inefficient, if price taps that side, taps that area, and it gives me a nice what confirmation, I will continue to sell. So this is the outlook of gold. This is what I'm seeing honestly on gold. I'm seeing that on gold, yes. So what do you see? What would you which time frame can maybe can we look at?
Time frame. What time frame is this? For hour.
Yeah, this is 4 hour. Okay, I've changed to 4 hour. You could see prices just mitigate supply areas, you see. But do you see what it left in between here? When it took out this internal range, you could see where I wrote IM, that's inducement, marked as inducement. Do you see that it never mitigated, it never pulled down when it took out this internal what? So that's also could be a smart money trap because it might want, yeah, to buy short. It could be a short term buy. Then it will be actually clearly it would want to come and give us a drop, taking out this smart money trap. This could be also my inducement level, this one. Because if it really wants to continue buying, I would want it at least to mitigate some areas of demand somewhere here. Then it will continue to buy. So this is just yet liquidity that I see, of which if I would wait at least to see price taking out this short-term low, this inducement, then it will give me some clues. So that's why for me, I don't think it's ready to buy. I don't think so. This inducement, you could see this range. This is 15 minutes, by the way. That's the range. That's the range I'm waiting to see that price breaks out. When price breaks out or takes out the previous day high, Tula, if it takes out the previous day high, yeah, then I'll pair my entries for shorts. Yeah, this is gold. This is gold. Which pair do you want us to see to look at? USD card, your pair. USD card. Hey, check how it has been playing. It broke out of this falling wedge and it retested nicely. Yeah, these areas of what? Sell side inefficiency. Yeah. Retested. Now it broke again. It's retesting. Now to continue the buy. It has been flowing so nicely. Very, very, because remember which day was it when we took some news on USDCAD? Yeah. It was here and gave us. I was buying here. I did buy, and I closed the supply area here. But supply got broken. Now it retested, going up. Really, so it's targeting the. It's looking good, man. Honestly, yes, it's looking. So that's the